Happy morning, guys. This is Dr. R. Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to discuss about the topic communication model in computer networks. Before we move on to the communication model, first, computer networks is none other than connecting the devices, connecting two or more computers. That is, we used to call it as in computer networks. So, in that, the communication model plays a vital role. It's none other than it going to provide an conceptual framework in order to understand how the data is transmitting from source to destinations. Now, let us see the components of communication model. Components such as first thing is source, transmitter, and then transmission medium. After that, receiver. It's move on to the finally it's move on to the destination. So this is a path flow of the communication model process. First, source is an originator of that particular data. Transmitter, it helps to convert the data, that original data, into the transmittable signal. It's we are going, if you want to convert it into analog to signal or analog signal to digital signal, digital to analog. So likewise, we are going to convert that particular data to the transmission medium. So for that, the transmitter will support, and transmission medium is none other than the physical wires or cable, or else we used to say wireless path for routing the signal. After that, the receiver going to decode that particular signal back into the original data. After collecting the original data, it's move on to the respective destinations. So this is a path flow of communication model. Now let us see the structure of communication model. Instead of sending the data simply from sender to receiver, we are going to embed a set of rules. It's none other than protocol. Protocol is none other than set of rules in order to encrypt as well as decrypt the data. It's mainly for the purpose of securing the data. To receive that original path of data have to receive by the receiver. So for that only we are going to embed the set of rules. So set of rules in the sense, the standardized protocol we are going to apply in order to transmit the data in successful manner. Now let us see, for example, if you are sending some kind of mail, right, email, first thing is that source originator is none other than your computer system. So in that device, we are going to transmit with the help of NIC. NIC stands for Network Interface Code. So with the help of that technique, we are going to encode that particular email into packets. So packet-like structure, we are going to process it. Packet in the sense data unit structure, we are going to frame it. After that, we are going to let's move on to the transmission medium. Transmission medium is either Wi-Fi connection, wireless path, or else Ethernet cable. We are going to connect that in order to transmit the data to the receiver. After that, that encoding data, we are going to decode it, right? So that receiver will receive that particular data, and then that email servers, NIC, the network interface code, going to decode that particular data with the help of packets. Finally, after decoding the original data, finally that respective original data going to receive by the recipient email client. So this is the path flow of the communication model. Instead of sending simply the data from sender to receiver, we are going to apply some kind of protocol in order to safeguard your system, in order to safeguard that particular data. We have to receive that original data. So in order to improve, in order to ensure whether the particular data is secured, accuracy level is effective, as well as the reliable data. So for that reason, we are applying this communication model concepts in computer network. Hope you understand clearly about the communication model. The main thing of here main path is we have to remember the protocol, set of rules we have to follow in order to transmit the data from one another. So it's one of the important crucial part in computer networks. Hope you understand clearly about the concepts computer communication model. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.